Okay, so I went ahead off camera, and in my bug window, we're going to need the same stores we had over here. So my bug window, went ahead and created a category store and a status store. So I need to probably load those up. Probably need to go to bugs window, add an event binding, after render, and in that event binding, that event handler, but we already had an after render. I guess we don't need this one. Delete. Go back to this one and say me.getViewModel .getStore .load me.getViewModel .getStore status .load. So that'll get all our stores loaded up. And then what we're going to have to do is come down here to our view model. And there's a thing called data. And inside of here, we're going to have to add current category, current status, and current priority and set those to null. So you got to put the curly brackets in there. And you want to check, you want to come over here. Come out of this, come back into this. And just make sure your data looks good, that you don't have any like backward slashes or any weird stuff going on. And then we have to go to formulas. And go to formulas and click plus. That's going to get us, we're going to call it current bug. And then inside of that, there's a get. And so get is going to return data. And then in current bug, you have to go to bind. And then it's not there, so you click add. Type in bind. You hit add. I'll go ahead and show you because it's a little tricky. Let me bring up my cheat sheet over here. Yeah, so let me just kill this current binding. Let's just kill the formula. Formulas. Let's just do it one. Current bug, delete. Okay, so we're going to go formula. We're going to add a formula. We're going to call it current bug. This is going to be a reference. Okay, so now in current bug, there's a get. There's a get. Okay, return data. Should be fine. That's fine. And then there's also, we need a bind. So here we go, bind. It's object. This is really, really finicky. I mean, really finicky. So we're going to create our brackets. It says, well, already won't let me. There it goes. Yeah, let me. Okay. And you see, it jumps back out. So you come back down to get, current bug, the one to bind. It's really, really, really buggy. Come over here. So we're going to say bind to. And then here, we're going to say bugs grid dot selections. This is going to be the selected item in the bugs grid. Now what you got to do is come off of here, go back to formulas, and make sure that looks good. You don't have any backward slashes, forward slash. Now this is over data, so all that's good. So get all that set up, and then we'll be ready to start binding things together. Okay.